The Supreme Court on November 10th ordered that human rights activist Gautam Navlakha should be moved from Taloja Central Prison to house arrest. Well, not just this, there have been many instances of house arrest in India. Well, 3 former chief ministers of Jammu and Kashmir, among other political leaders, have too been under house arrest. And now you must be wondering as to what is house arrest? What does this mean? So house arrest, also known as home confinement or even home detention, is the act of confining a person to specified jail premises that are not a regular jail. While these premises can be the person's own home or someone else's, subject to approval by the authorities. Generally, house arrest is seen as an alternative to confinement in jail either during trial or after sentencing, which can be used in the case of certain categories of prisoners with specific medical or other needs, or those who are not deemed dangerous. So does India have house arrest? Well, yes, India does have house arrest, and as earlier discussed, there have been many cases of it too. Although the Code of Criminal Procedure does not mention house arrest. House arrest has been used as a means of preventive detention under Section 5 of the National Security Act 1980, which means any person who is subject to detention under the Act can be detained in such place as appropriate government deems fit. Another common question related to house arrest is that are there any conditions to it? Yes, house arrest is allowed under specific conditions that are peculiar to each prisoner. Well, they almost always include restrictions on travel and meeting people, and may also include electronic surveillance of the prisoner by means of a wearable tracking device too. So now you must be wondering as to how house arrest can be granted in India. Well, to answer this, the magistrate can then authorize his custody under Section 167 of the CRPC. Also, Section 167 of the CRPC contemplates detention of accused to custody, empowering a magistrate to authorize such detention of accused. So how does this happen in India? What is the basic procedure of house arrest? Let's understand. So for a conceivable offence, the police may register an FIR and arrest the accused without a warrant. Well, if the offence is bailable, the police must release the arrestee upon a reasonable security. If it is not bailable, only a court can order their release on bail. So this was all about house arrest. While for more such explainer content, you can simply log into our website India.com, and we do have a YouTube channel, so do not forget to subscribe to it to get the latest updates.